buddy, naghahanap ka ba ng minimalist house and lot na complete finished turnover at malapit sa Manila, Airport, Las Piñas at Alabang? If yes, don't skip this video. This is Pau Pipito, your home search buddy. Located sa Malagasang 2E, Imus, Cavite. Few minutes drive going to Emilio Aguinaldo Road, Vermosa, River Park, SM General Trias, and Villar City. Prime location nga ito mga buddy, kaya naman siguradong panalo ka dito. At alam mo ba buddy na livable na to upon turnover at gamit na lang ang dadalhin nyo dahil expanded unit na nga rin ito at more on interior design na lang ang gagawin ninyo. Nasa loob ng gated, secured, exclusive community with complete amenities gaya ng clubhouse with pool, parks and playground, events place, at covered basketball court. Siguradong ma-enjoy mo ito buddy at ng family mo. Makakapili ka rin dito kung end, inner or corner unit at kung pre-selling or ready for occupancy. You can own this modern minimalist house for as low as 20,000 monthly DP. Kaya naman buddy, kung nagustuhan mo ito, don't forget to like, share, follow, and send me direct message para ma-schedule na natin ang exclusive house viewing mo. So, bye-bye!